When it comes to woodworking, having the right tool is crucial for ensuring strong and lasting bonds. Cyanoacrylate glue, commonly known as super glue, is a popular choice for woodworkers due to its quick setting time and strong bonding capabilities. If you are repairing, assembling, or creating intricate designs, the best Cyanoacrylate glue can make your woodworking projects more efficient and durable. In this video, we will explore some of the top Cyanoacrylate glues for woodworking, helping you choose the right one for your needs. Number 1. LOCTITE Cyanoacrylate Adhesive Super Glue. LOCTITE Cyanoacrylate Adhesive Super Glue is a top choice for those seeking a reliable and durable adhesive. Known for its rubber-toughened formula, this super glue is designed to withstand harsh conditions and everyday use, making it perfect for various woodworking projects and more. Key features: resist water, impact, shock, and vibration. Ideal for vertical applications. Easy side squeeze bottle for pinpoint accuracy. Works on a variety of porous and non-porous surfaces. Dries transparent without clamping. Number 2. STARBOND Cyanoacrylate Super Glue. STARBOND Cyanoacrylate Super Glue has been a trusted choice for over 3 decades. Known for its freshness and industrial-grade quality, this premium Cyanoacrylate glue is ideal for various applications, from woodworking to hobby models, ensuring reliable performance and quick drying times. Key features: fresh, industrial-grade adhesive. Ideal for tight spaces, wood turning, and high-gloss finishes. Dries in less than 5 seconds, without an accelerator. Can penetrate up to 0.002 inch in size. Includes Cyanoacrylate glue tips and tricks video tutorials. Number 3. Gorilla Cyanoacrylate Super Glue. Gorilla Cyanoacrylate Super Glue is a robust and versatile adhesive designed for tough applications. With its no-run gel formula and impact-resistant properties, this glue is perfect for vertical surfaces and various materials, making it a go-to choice for woodworkers. Key features: no-run control for vertical applications, prevents the glue from drying out, increased resistance and strength. Dries in 10 to 45 seconds without clamping. Bonds plastic, wood, metal, ceramic, and more. Store in a cool, dry location. Number 4. Mitreapel Cyanoacrylate Super Glue. Mitreapel Cyanoacrylate Super Glue is a powerful and easy-to-use adhesive designed for both professional and personal projects. This 2-part Cyanoacrylate glue with an activator offers quick curing times and a clean application, making it an excellent choice for a variety of materials and applications. Key features: simple application with Cyanoacrylate glue and activator spray. Delivers clean and professional results. Bonds in 5 to 12 seconds with activator, up to 2 minutes without. Fine mist activator and viscous glue for mess-free use. Works on wood, glass, stone, metal, and more. Number 5. Bob Smith Industries Cyanoacrylate Glue. Bob Smith Industries Cyanoacrylate Glue is a versatile and reliable adhesive that bonds a wide range of materials. This combo pack includes both Cyanoacrylate glue and an accelerator, making it perfect for quick and efficient bonding in various projects. Proudly supporting the Wounded Warrior Project. This glue is made in the USA and trusted by professionals and hobbyists. Key features: bonds metal, plastic, wood, ceramics, rubber, leather, glass, and more. Includes Cyanoacrylate glue and accelerator for fast results. Proud sponsors of the Wounded Warrior Project. High-quality adhesive manufactured in the United States. Number 6. Adhesive Guru Cyanoacrylate Glue. Adhesive Guru Cyanoacrylate Glue is a fast-setting and powerful adhesive designed for both professional and household use. This versatile glue, paired with an activator spray, ensures strong and instant bonds on a variety of surfaces, making it a reliable choice for woodworking, DIY repairs, and more. Key features: bonds plastics, wood, ceramics, fabrics, metals, and more. Sets within 5 to 10 seconds, reducing project time. Achieves a cure in as little as 3 seconds with activator. Meets industrial standards for durability. Fine mist spray and viscous glue ensure a mess-free process. Number 7. STARBOND Black Cyanoacrylate Glue. STARBOND Black Cyanoacrylate Glue is a premium industrial-grade adhesive designed for high-performance bonding and filling. perfect for woodworking projects that require impact and shock absorbance. This glue also excels in filling imperfections and accenting specific areas. Key features: industrial grade, lab tested for optimal performance. Includes applicator caps, claw-free stopper, and micro tips. Ideal for spalted wood, burl and filling imperfections. 150 centipoise, similar to motor oil, with penetrating abilities up to 0.006 inch. Store under 40° Fahrenheit for a 20 months warranty. Number 8. GH1200 Cyanoacrylate Superglue. GH1200 Cyanoacrylate Superglue is a versatile and easy-to-use adhesive designed for a variety of applications, with its fast-setting formula and strong bonds. This CIA glue is perfect for everyday repairs and projects around the house, office, or workshop. Key features: anti-clog cap for fast and clean use. Industrial strength for long-lasting repairs. Sets in 30 seconds for quick bonding. Includes both thin and thick glue, ensuring you never run out. Compatible with ceramics, plastics, rubber, paper, leather, metal, and more. Number 9. Glue Masters Cyanoacrylate Superglue. Glue Masters Cyanoacrylate Superglue is a professional-grade adhesive designed to deliver strong and fast bonds for various materials. Perfect for intricate repairs and detailed projects. This glue ensures a durable hold and precise application. Key features: the adhesive has different types of viscosity. High-quality adhesive for strong, long-lasting bonds. Dries quickly to save time on projects. Suitable for wood, plastic, metal, ceramics, and more. Allows for detailed and controlled application. Number 10. Superglued Cyanoacrylate Adhesives Glue. Superglued Cyanoacrylate Adhesives Glue is the go-to solution for creating strong bonds on clean breaks of non-porous materials, with its fast-drying formula and precision applicator. This glue is perfect for a variety of projects, ensuring quick and reliable repairs. Key features: ideal for wood, ceramic, metal, plastic, and more. Sets in 10 to 30 seconds for instant bonding. Eliminates runs and drips. Comes with 12-count 2-gram tubes. Paintable and sandable for finishing touches. Thank you for tuning into our review of the best CIA glues for woodworking. We hope this guide has helped you find the perfect adhesive for your projects. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and helpful tips on the latest tools and materials. Stay connected for more exciting content and happy woodworking.